let's revisit this diagram, see what other questions they can come up with for us. So what they'll do is they'll add other variables to these other angles, and they want you to find y and z as well. Well, we already figured out from the previous one that 37 degrees has to be x because of vertical angles. Well, what we also have is we now have relationships between y and z. We know clearly that y and z are vertical angles as well, but if we don't know the measures of them, we can't determine what the heck they are yet. So we have to change our way of thinking. Let's now compare x with y. If you notice, based on hopefully what we remember and know from geometry at this point, x and y are linear pairs. Linear pairs are not congruent, but linear pairs are supplementary. So supplementary angles, by definition, are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So our equation would be 37 plus y equals 180. If we subtract 37 from both sides, that gets us an answer of 143 degrees. So I now know that y is 143 degrees. And as we already said, if y is 143, z has to be 143 because they're vertical angles. And as you can see, you have a bunch of different linear pairs and two different sets of vertical angles here. Y and z are vertical angles, they're congruent. X and 37 are congruent because they're vertical angles. X and y are supplementary, they're a linear pair. 143 and 37 are a linear pair, so they're supplementary. Z and 37 are a linear pair, they're supplementary. And X and Z are supplementary because they're a linear pair.